open your Cash App and you will see the main page, and at the top you will see the profile icon. Click on the profile icon and you will see the profile, and now scroll all the way down and you will see a referral code. To tap on it, and then you will see a box. So this is where you have to enter the referral code. And right now, if you enter the this referral code, it will give you $5 as sign up bonus. So enter this code, and this is how it works. And then tap on the enter button. So enter this, you can type it or you can just paste the code that you found online and hit enter, and you will see the referral code applied. So that's it, guys. That's how you enter the referral code on the Cash App. Now that you have entered the Cash App referral code, and you know how to enter it, you might have this question as how long does it take to receive your free bonus. And so here you can see that after you have entered the code, you need to do this one thing. You need to open your Cash App and link a bank or credit card account, and then send $5 to your family member or any friend, and your friend should complete and you should complete this within 14 days of entering the referral code to get the referral bonus. And some of the other tips, and one of the important thing is that you should not send money before entering the referral code in the Cash App. So that's the first step is to enter the referral code and then send the $5 to your friend. So if you do a transaction in the Cash App, you can redeem the bonus, promotional bonus. So actually, if you send the money and then enter the referral code, you won't get the promotional bonus anymore. And so first, be sure to enter the referral code first and then make a $5 transaction within 14 days of entering the code. And sometimes you better use the code that I mentioned in the video, which works and it is a valid code. But if you tried other code and failed, or if you tried this code and failed, that might be due to a number of reasons. The first thing, the code expired. Yeah, it happens sometimes, but usually the code doesn't expire, or the account owner of the bonus code has closed this account. So let's say you got the code online and somehow that account was closed, so the code becomes invalid, or the invitation link you got is no longer valid. So, or sometimes you might type the referral code incorrectly. For example, what I mean is you typed I instead of 1 or V instead of W. So you should double check and then make sure you enter the right code and tap the enter. So that's what you have to do, guys. So, and always, if you have any problems, you can always contact the customer service. And you have more questions like this, you can always I will put the link in the description below. You can go there and read this my blog post where I have answers to more frequently asked questions. And while you're there, grab this referral code, which is HXMJDLC. So use this referral code, which is a valid code, and then don't forget to send $5 so you won't miss the bonus. So enter a code, link the debit card, and send $5 to get the sign up bonus. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and check out my blog post for more details on the Cash App referral code bonus questions. Bye.